Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Suggestopedia. What is Suggestopedia? It's the study of these suggestive factors in a learning situation, a teaching method based on the idea how the human brain works and how we learn most effectively. It includes a rich sensory learning, a positive expectation of success, and the use of a very range of methods like dramatized text, music, active participation in songs, and games. Suggestopedia. The main aim of this method is to deliver advanced conversational proficiency quickly. And this side, I wrote the name of the method, Suggestopedia, and each letter has a little definition and what consists the method. Suggestopedia stimulates the whole person on those blocks, goes rapidly forward, gives creative solutions, encourages relation, strengthens self-image, text-to-hold optimized learning, propagates talent, enhances learning, dramatizes material, includes pictures and music, address the whole person. Suggestopedia has 7 laws, and the first one is love. Love should be expressed as a genuine love for the human being. Love, together with the other laws, creates the necessary cheerful, genuine, and highly stimulating concentrative relaxation. This presupposes mental relaxation and non-strained concentration. Freedom. Freedom gives the opportunity to the students to listen to their inner voice and to choose their way to the reserves of the mind at different moments of the process of instructions. Freedom is not being dictated by a teacher. It is a spontaneous feeling in the student that they do not obey the methodology, but are free to enjoy it and give personal expressions in accordance with their personal character. In this respect, Suggestopedia facilitates personal expression. The other one is an unusual event. The teacher must have the conviction that something extraordinary and different from the social norm is taking place. Each session must be started in the excitement of an unusual event taking place. Such a mindset leads to inspiring both teacher and students. Increasing input volume. The students' material presented to the students in a specific time frame must be at least 3 times larger in volume than the existing norm established by other methodologies. For example, the study material is a 1-month course of foreign language. Teaching must always be at least 2 times more voluminous than a typical similar language course. A systematic approach in all subjects. When the new study material is taught, there must not be separation between the element and the whole Suggestopedia. Thus takes a system approach to learning. There are not learning elements that are taught and learned in isolation. For example, vocabulary or grammar do not exist apart from the language. They are part of the discourse and they are taught in context. The golden proportion. Golden proportion is a concept that dates back to ancient times. It has also been called the divine proportion. It has been a secret in olden times, but today has been investigated by serious researchers, mathematicians, architects, and interior designers. It is based upon the insight that all natural functions without strife, but as a result of harmony. Art and aesthetics. Classical art and aesthetics are used in Suggestopedia as effective mediators of non-manipulative communicative suggestion because of their capacity to emit an infinite number of non-specific stimuli which nourish the abundance of peripheral perceptions unnoticeable to the sense functions through conscious awareness. The theory of learning and teaching activities. There are some examples: imitations, question and answers, role plays, and listening activities. This one you can put in practice with your students. And the teacher roles. Teachers should create situations in which learners are most suggestible. I mean, the teacher could create a dialogue or can ask about the topic that they are learning in the class, because the students can participate during the class. And the student roles. The student should not be critical but simply absorb what is presented to them. They follow the teacher or parent. Thank you so much for the attention. I hope you are learning something about Suggestopedia.